Itu anonym omedu ya na say to ekuta nyoma kroke dada o pompassion no ma kroke dada enye say afi na wo be no etu oma loadi no ma kroke dada eti say omo pani no di anim no ma command na then they start shooting. They were ready. So maybe they are aje China for the free tax force for
instance. Just asem no ano. Yeze no yes China for the mramum. Wa mramam say yesu no.
Nti said the eyem panifo e kan sa asem we say so bi betumi ase wa brabo na se ofie nipa enka ho a enya adwuma no. Sa asem no ende e na mate ase na de nti amame kasa ene se onim se Ghana Galamsey obia esu Galamsey se niema o Galamsey se nsu abusuan no teni say eye Ghana fo ni bi kura support the Galamsey koso wo Ghana no mo support police fo ka ho bi enda me no kasa de eye Dr. Hannah Bisiw one ni team ekopie mu wo eye antwema mponua kuro bi a ye fe no eye akonfre onkopie ho no Chinese fo mo support Galamsey say yen say yensuo no omakoche sa golus no what you say na ye chesa gulus ni wiye no Ghana Police Service for send task force so mo koje eye Chinese for free eye Dr. Hannah Bisiw ni nkrofo ni sam na Chinese for nkoye o madwuma eni kroma fo ni bi nso support say yenje Chinese fo yi na abusia case ni ba ye no ato ya adwendwe say oman ya ye chechiri a ye pese Galamsey ase etwa free Ghana no ye no Ghana fo ni bia nso attack task force na ye fight ye bo Chinese for hu ban said on betumi ayeden aye Galamsey e wo Ghana abusunya case ni ba ye no ato ya adwendwene na mensa wo bre enkasa bebebe no ye bi kwa kotie details e wo mu ene de etwagu e wo ho na abusunya message so be subscribe to your channel no send update nsu to mu a onso nsa abeka bi na wa share ato other platforms so na afoforo nso ayeden ati binti abusunya ye nkotie de ekoso e wo ho ankasa e wo antwema mponua a ho side yin kotie de ekoso ho
wow say John metimi aka cho say obia ya ni cooperation bia no ote Galamsey ya na ne bofu
ye onkrofo bi sa ho
na ne bofu
ye onkrofo bi sa ho
eti the omo no so they were committed eti ya no e na no ohwehwe no say John ye free hwa na in fact around this time any ate say omanya omo wo efie foforo bim eti say fie no Ghana for omo ho fie omo chi 2 ena omo sa kwache 5 e wa another house ena omo ma chi obu nyina nana yawo afei sa mame obesa hu China for omo ma chi omo good yes ena omo de omo ba no na ha say no na ye nya 7 ni nyina e na Dr. Hannah Bisiw ye said abi ye mfa wo mo nko
enkrofo wo almost skin ye fresh
oh that be we mu ye omo a omo the finance no un say emre bi
akwawe do
un say emre bi ohene ka say hwe sa Galamsey ntokwa no a ye ko no a ye fail no ye fail because we are arresting the wrong people
let's move
eti ha say Dr. Hannah Bisiw ye said abi se omadi enyamransem say dia ene omodi omo ko site ho no makohwe the level of devastation bonia omadi
omo na leading mo de mokoya na say
I say unim unfortunately for them and unfortunately for us site no ne kru no ekwanwa it just about 100 meters no ura site wo I say from a year if I get free forest ho no na ye de omo ba aha ye omo holding bay aha say no say omo fa anwea no tuntum no wo mo de ba ha na omo
adan we mu
adan omo gina mu dan Hannah Bisiw aha adan we mu omo de bi ba ha
enu ye different from separate from baby
omo adan ba miensa omo yemu adwuma we ba ko etu omo de ba ha we ha say so no we ne ben we pa ne ben site ho omo de sa emuba black ne ba eni anwea black ne ba aha no de mercury no ebe yi gold no e free eye
Jimmy, who one of the videos are not almost
wash. Yes. Now, when I no, almost say a whole swimming in ano, almost so amunumni. In super bottle water, heavy one, correct. And the cruma for no dear, almost poison. Eti aha masa yedru ana obi awra ho enso yenya Ghana fo a omota wo mechi yen yankasa yedi ho abro ena ensu omonom
no ensu no bi no no
anti anabisi ya no se anabisi efa
action woman
yes ena odi ensu no che mamefo ne mamefo a omo ho omuntimi kasa omunyam pe omuntimi kasa se jon di okro nim ne se kro no mra bia anya adwuma ho tax no ne really kro no a gangsters paradise ade a na Bisiw aye no I take you so many years
yentimi aye you see owo akoma no a eti yawo pain no
absolutely
say enema amukom no
absolutely
enema Ghana come about absolutely. This illegal money Galamsey any effect no
absolutely go after those people because women are the real minded any amoni ni na no so omo chema omo se mun kodi na mo kra emra mo ho
hwe we fa no hwe
hwe yes chema omo it was around that time any enya ntie say tax no aba but say John say before say you be concran no me ka kire wo say anabisiu Crawford omo baaye no obia ete Galamsey nkan no ofe nipa kakra bi o obia ye so much committed so much committed Bisiw ampeke ko obia ko pim say ye be hande or the Chinese for the court na court remand omo and sana opiki obia call there were calls coming
oh yeah sir call
in fact ye bedru nyina hini or the police ni you know that was time na ma send video I share go viral. So that time the president friend I was there when the president called her.
Oh share president
yes,
share
video. Yeah.
Media general video no.
Yeah.
And no friend
no. Busa na say ne ho to say.
No because say what to say.
Or more hold you hostage. Say John it was terrible. My ba hostage.
Yeah ba hostage so na.
Eti ye wa ha say no ne te say motos abo awura krom ho. Ene one pick up biaba si 200 bi Sir John mene Victor satana hana modom da so ho ti mene Victor in the pie
opie frifia that no mo che
satana mo che yes
mo che mo
ai say chale yanko e de ekoso Sir John you drew ho enipa tax ne ba ho no bi banse kutekuto mo ebi kuta machete bi eye kutukuro no na etuo compassion ebi mu ya advanced titimoto so
akwa we ogina we de onu hwe a onu o site obi ana enu hu fi
omo yes omo workers ni bi omo eye we no Chinese for ndi omo ye adwuma eti 87.9 kuma so in fact me at a point na me say what is happening me minim say bia well omo ba be kan ho abeboy ho ba na say bia omu twema ko different side but afemi take command na ekono a chale omu ye tax omu aba ebe counter operation na ye no Sir John enisema na we hu say Dr. Bisiw edi Chinese for nanim odo omu be wura ka anim omu wura mu anu be gina ka nanim obie na omu say yawo obie na obe movie free ha obie anko obie na okọ masa afi nya ya mba masa mitikani me hu buso me hu bida honestly no mo start so mututu pay etu omo to ba ko mienu na police for na no mo kan ho no e respond ye one and shot masa afi kra de na agija omo kra eti e ho na police for no say no chale hu aboy kakra na policeman ba ko ba kind of say you cool it down ema ye muhu they will have the situation under control almost share bo say dey be free chrome ha to dey cool it down ma e muhu but say ye rougher they will fire them the two ne kuta omo no e ye compassion ni to a etie bibia just compassion to do omo yen cool it down.
Oh, okay.
Eti anche na W no so buy a car ni because chale na ya emre. Na W so ka chen say me mohu yen cool it down bibia be fine. The assurance say you be free krom akọ. Eneja yenya avem kakra. Nti ye hwe de be nti me de honestly nam nim say de akoye ne de exchange of gunfire bebem because send an microphone and bent say they are ready to fire, they are ready to face off with the police, they are ready for showdown. No, me so any to run a banty any it me free her. Then ya me say ya free and this thing so. It's yet to say almost the reinforcement, but then almost I said almost a reinforcement mra a best so bloody. Into there. Omon try no omon convince. Hana
video there me who yo.
Ya omunye. On so it's to yes. When you na tax no.
Ha!
Tax no.
Na hwe ba ko de no amaso owie mo hwe
na we na command it ana
post for see from one sukuta no too
yes it ya say no it was going to be because no nim na post for no
it should have been
na post for no I say at a point in time omo anya to was yes see they realize say no but at the end there's going to be exchange of fire it's not ready. Eti adia na police for no so hwe ani mu an say omo commander no maka say ye nsu nya hini police for ye police for ni free kumase na koye adia no mo hwe ani mu an say there should be a command then na afi na say e hona da ne war zone na Galamsey for Chinese for no mutatu no mso two
come on
you nya pistols wo mo ho you nya pistols e wo mo ho
eno
ti omo na di two na ma wo mo
FM 87.9
Chinese for no
share
and I'm mutu because they are financing them. It's in here.
Abansinkum.
Tisa John, police new way is free come on. Honestly, police for no there. Police for no do free kumase koye no. Sir John, they did well.
Police for no ebi yadi o.
They did so well.
Juma.
Sir John, unim. Omo no so mrantie be. Omo no so. Me omo nru 20 no I'm not 20 well, about 15 or 10 maybe 15 or 12 and you're doing boy
chai
maybe 15 or 12
na community
for operation I say
almost obi born in some was almost
no more organized boys no community na a group see the thing is that omo na esro it is some support boys na ama Chinese for no omo anji omo a
okay ombesa babet attack community for no
yes
ye nyina ye tamochi he bolobo
eti eye yen kakra na ye koye no against the entire community e hono so e dead enso ye nwuram na ka be bloody komi bo give be
hwe mofla na ye gugu
komi yes
ene
itu
say
anonim ombedu ya na se tu ekuta nwa makroke dada o pompassion no makroke dada enye se afi na wo be no etu oma loadi no makroke dada eti se omo pani no di anim no ma command na then they start shooting they were ready so maybe they are aje China for the free task force for them
say asam no ano e say no yes China for the mra mum wo mra me say yesu no come on
it is a John eti na kwa empire bomb paibo ya
empire bo
nti ye ho na afedie me nim de siye ye hu yen se cast ni movie eno mu di anim na si ye free chrome ho but still na ye nya sure baby omo de ye ko
this is a movie
yeah the real situation ten omo de ton from him and I just say attention ni nyina ba eye a conference ene ma ye ko in fact journalist an ye ko ni etupe one from Accra guy no you bedu kumasa no mo fly no back to Accra me no omo ne me nante ya be 5 ansa na omo jaye omo bedru kumase na se central there omo wo one police commander or Chinese no and no job details quickly and omo sadi omo go came to court eti there was no and Dr. Bisiw ejina mu bi there was nothing
insurance
say bibia
koso
to until omo call court ma court remand omo ansa na ye free police station ho akọ eye depo omuko okoshia interior minister ana ni interior minister nyina free depo ho ekọ ni fie
wow
etimi e ho na omumu ja me ne beto What? Bar office because that time they also may be an oma ye.
At least signal way a coy no. Said okay say president Efre Dr. Hannah Bisiw.
Yeah.
Good. Then it means that that signal way should have gone to the police hierarchy. I wasn't Kekum. At least the district commander. At least also be a regional commander.
Nobody was aligned.
No, main car operation. No? But at the time of this information, ba say, "Oma block him, Oma person be free."
Yeah.
When president had the video, what it means is whether the national at the national level, IGP, nominee, other munya calls be from any support be from police within.
From there, and that I cannot confirm, but the president call I saw. So ne ana bisu ama ana a briefing no the akoso ho minim say interior minister na free chire dia
interior minister was in the region
because right from we say make say owie ye ba regional police command na omo depot
I say
operations e beto operations and operations e hwe say bibia be koso kama na omatimi e de o makọ court because e be do be 4 the 4 na dem no court no eko hwe se court no so mbe formula kwana court na remand omo this omo come 2 weeks it was ye wie na ansa na ye depo amako she interior minister so ansa na yes ababa ka make us omo ejaye it is a John right after tax no aposi for no ne omo esa engage ye ema omo ti ase no the next thing was that any omo lead every krom ho say John no credit say na ye nim ba bia na ye ko
nti omumu na di moto
di anim barunim na kasa ekoso ne se chale ngrofo yemu no they can't trust them bia betimi asi why hom betimi dey ambush no more afire so we were thinking say chale so dey na ekoso in the honestly ye na ambush mu nyina no car no so mini metra ha kakra ma betra kakra ko dey ko wan say na obi kolo am no fire car mu nye bulletproof
and then we receive that say we receive that
guy national security guy
that's how we doing how
national security guy ba can say oh minyanto was here we will go through this the minyanto was we will go through this until see a confrere okwa confrere o tra nyina hini kro no kakra dia kanya rough road ye see main road ni mu no ewura mu nyina mu so challenge say you are safe enyenye kra no you krom ye free murem oh sa guys no mu wrap pick up ni mu no na ya ko chi kakra bi those guys did so well omo fra kra ne bai minim so me soldiers there so if soldiers no okay me achire unim say car ye de call ye no ye koduru ho no omo se san be 3 cars
wow
I'm telling you the car ye di wura krom ho no nye no an ye sa tena mu krom ho na ankasa no wo mu ano o ma be you se mo kwatena pick up mo kwatena ebi a V8 we mo kwatena we say it the last V8 di free chrome ho ba kumase no ani ani soja ni ba ko netim but on she military uniform o she normal attire yes so that guy na wako no
yeah
that guy could be a national security or be a military and the other guy no they did so well
intelligence they respond
so well.
The police
higher district war no nyina hini district police command na ni enim de ekoso ye hwana one of the guys se minister na police and soldier ni be frɛ sɛ Dr. Bisiw yemla na me Victor ekoi so ye koi no na ehu sɛ there was an exchange me the video no to platform so na exchanger na kasa no ekoso between Dr. Bisiw ne commander na
Julia ode to asomami
yeah meti ne say like the commander wanted to know what was happening onim de ekoso bia e de na ekoso na ehɔ na yenya ne ntie sɛ na mo keka na yakeka sɛ government peke information sɛ tax na ba stop ye na nkombe so mu yi Chinese no emoji Chinese for the free and some no na commander na ya aware of that na say child allegation we dey so etimi busa Dr. Hannah Bisiw say doc well information say na me peke Pacho, we are aware now. Say what Bisa say, commander was aware about the tax in the bias, no, and also on no swati, no pick intelligence. Say and cray. I'm on interior minister Kasa. Afa home.
But you say police in your
commander no,
commander no sana and run it so much transfer.
Anyone.
Now, said a bear, yes, police station, dear no. Dr. Bisiw, yes, this is the commander. This is the commander.
Yes, that's the commander. That is district commander.
The district commander.
Yes.
Uni.
Man, I'm a kabi.
Yes, I'm
a
na ubusa Dr. Hannah Bisiw.
When you say you make say before say me beko ho no. Me never to beko no. Na the argument was very heated. On Hannah Bisiw.
Okay, you
do ho no then alright no media for aba no. E na I say no bar from kakra. Yes, it was that heated.
I see.
I mean ye phone see you try ne ma unti wo say uti asem obusa ne say wonim de enti oba krom ho. What is oba krom de na de ne ba krom ho. Why na de ne ba krom ho. Sana commander no busa na Bisiw.
So by this or person say
nka
wo say oba no obesi ni so.
Yes.
As police commander.
And that is the good thing about catch
na nka oma no afre oma catch so oma ba munwane.
I'm not Bisiw team no do omonam no. See, I say if there are people who are committed to the fight against Galamsey, I trust that team than any other team at Ghana. I'm telling you.
You see,
because this one nobody had any information.
How are
you,
Dr. Hannah Bisiw? Were you bold?
Yes.
Hey, obi a won ni encounter bia no. O mani pa no hu so de ni bra na aba.
Yes.
And I love that.
Yes.
Just watch this.
Yes. Omo China from they were surprised. A quiet on pick they were surprised.
Just I just
so now what you say tamwa me ne kasa no o ka say what you say madam comedy
aye
na tax ni nim say Hannah Bisiw wo me fa ne sa so no mo say o amuni adwuma bia ye. That was what they were saying.
Yeah.
Telling Hannah Bisiw o ni adwuma bia ye aban bo muni adwuma bia anye it we anom so ye didi eti madam mo muska and oka say on the omumra ne car no. I don't know what happened. Or ne do omukom car, I don't know what happened. It ho any nyam because Hannah Bisiw was bent to say 87 Chinese for the omukon cry. If I don't know because original plan no say or the omukon cry. Straight from Kumasi because of the enough cars by about 2 of the V8 now empty from Accra. And a military for no make say baako ye de na baako team. And baako susu a W also so baako ono so pe any driver and ono ne bodyguard and one Tundra na the way o my car no why do you cry am say operation
tell na me person
yes auntie yanko no now no go into it 80
nkoma uni ba me nka microphone
because operation go so e go so 80 now the plan was that omo chi straight and I'm one plane by you or the car by road they came by road some to anajo 10 and on back once you know a return to omo so ma pick your intelligence in every to omo form do omo back to Accra straight it is en Kenya sa tax no ne ade na ba mu a ebenya national attention na anka di be hu an say omo pick your do omo Accra nobody would have gotten a wind of it not even the original police command. That was the plan. The tax ni bear mu ni we ni bear mu ma be did no. Na fe o say channel bi o ha omo eyusu. And omo do omo ba your friend is we regional police commander e ho no so because time I buy na regional commander kra ni ho. Na omo wo depo. No mo so ni edi dwuma bi on interior minister. Yes. It was under wraps.
Just omo take you obi by surprise.
Everybody was taken by surprise.
Me ba my intie timer. Hannah na mpesi tie na me kyerɛw de ntia me ka sɛ Dr. Hannah Bisiw na ebinom aka na sem sɛ ɔyɛ ɔba na ni den
Charlie
ebinom aka ɔmo anya ani na nya encounter no sɛ ɔnyɛ small ayi bayere
I am telling you
ɛna wadwo ne saa
I am telling you
tiwi
je mon kono so such a crime to us and you're laughing. You think I'm here to
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Me pesa wo sign TBU. Wo de tie ensuo no en sa video no na da so sisi na o se ensuo no omonyi nkonom. Jo wura ho no.
Mamemra ho. Me wura fikura ka me yi ho na frim. Sejon ensuo no omonyi nkonom no. Hana Bisiw tamwa omo chi omo a na ye ode omo ko site ho no. Na ba kukuta sa bottle ibi flask bi ana ensuo. Wo dia we de ibi. Aha. Eno obusa say dey no so ensuo. Oh. Mo de omo num clean water na oje no totwene. Oje free channel ni say no totwene. Eno ka che omo say omo nsa. Ensuo no ma say ni bi ama no but ho no be any cap.
Yeah, media no madia.
Yes, it is. Okay, boys, say. Omo nsa ensuo no a, say su komo de no.
Yeah.
Ensuo no ma say no. Omo nsa bi ma akwana no onum so channel na no omo nsuo no. Eyi baya. Na fa me komachi.
Baby ana mo movie omo nam community ni na yemhwe insider.
No, baby ana other video no
time ana mo site no. Nti fa no to smile.
This guy.
And obi abusa me
black no.
Obi abusa ma say ensuo no mo num bia na. Because no ye dey say approach mo chi omam mo no.
It's no kuta ono ne flask.
Flask ne kita wa hai.
Flask ne kuta guy we. Yes. Beluti ko onko na chiba,
onko na chiba. Kan be kan sembi.
Eti no kuta flask no. No onom ndi ensuo ani omu ne ensu papa. Na
on ebe good. I was here Facebook for no mo betimi.
Eti Dr. Bisiw aje we no totone.
Ti the flask eno no.
Yes, no totone ye. Na o ka kire omo se omo mpe omo nsa ensuo no a omo ahunu ni bi ma ne nom. But no mo nya cap ewo.
Na no mo go he flask na wo to kwa akiri.
Oh, in fact baby atoy de mimi huni but
na so kana so fa mo. Me dia de ka mo pa ka me se ka mo ha ka me se sa de. Baby anke wo bi. Na dey Evans wan kasa no ano.
Oboto
tene. Wono want na body bi ani ho baby.
Na body obai wo. Na asase ma asase nya body we.
Se ka fie ka efie body bi na sisi fie. Ka ma bebu
ahaban. O ma say asase ni nya body.
Koko ahaban crab. Ahaban bi ambo kama kwa ne saa.
O ma say asase ni na body ko fa body.
Mo de tata so anu ma kwa ne saa mo de asabi amana no. Me se men kama ye.
Koko pa o matwagu ho no.
Se kana mo ho bi Evans. Me se kwa bia so me fa so anka Dr. na Bisiw. Nsu anu o pe bi amama no kama pe bi amana no.
Koko pa o matwagu ho no. Say John, you have no idea. Na dia ya ne say school bi wo eben ho no. Eti Sir John, Bisiw ka sem bi se o se enkran bibia tomu awu a omo enimu a enye nwanwa. Because a whole community has been cut off. Yeah. I ne kuta no flash we oje totwene. Oje totwene so omo mpe na nka omo nsa ensu no ma hunu bi ma ne no.
E ho senka na 100 meters. Evans, you see 100
and
meters.
These are the financiers
100 meters away from the community there. America so kura antam so me say we ka me roro me mpaboa wo sa America wana ko bi da America e roro mpaboa no
and ache
mo ka me roro me mpaboa ma so America mu ma ba fia beje cap kwam bia so kombe no bi
na unim guy baako ono fufra kra ne bae na
wow
ujia ho no hwe ade no me ni video na to platform no sisi a ayi baluchi mo hwe na mo fine ayi me dey to platform no sisi a sa kwan na ma me reho ye wo hwe the level of devastation na obo na ni no usu
Evans answer na be cause videos no mo da mo cause anyo exclusive videos ebi ni baby ya na ni nyina wo ye wo dodo na ye de ba na the encounter with the police commander
87.9
what there we no what about you nyabotra you we no for the ba no so about describe that
abusuya we nso de etwagu e wo Galamsey nsensem ya abusuya ekoso e wo Ghana na se ye de sei e chechiro man abusuya be yi ye fighting no obi nso e bo ho ban what you say ye bo ban wo mu no obi nso e bie because obi apedi obedi na afi we die ebeda ne tomato abusuya ma me hu adwen kire e wo comment section wo uye nso ani de mu na wa subscribe to your channel no se ni update bia nso etomu a onso onsa ebe kabi kete wo se enye dodo no nwa makra bye bye.